I'm just doing a quick video on this Audi S8 D2. It's a 4.2 litre V8 engine. So we've been trying to diagnose a persistent misfire on this engine. When we ran the diagnostics, it kept telling us that there's a misfire on cylinder 6. The frustrating thing, it wasn't telling us what the misfire was, for example, a coil pack or injector. So we went about our normal diagnostics. So I basically switched coil pack 6 with coil pack 5, and to see if the misfire moved, it didn't. I swapped injector 6 with injector 5 to see if the misfire moved, it didn't. I also swapped spark plug 6 with spark plug 5 and the misfire didn't move. I actually then changed spark plug 6 as well to see if that was the issue, but none of that worked. I even did a compression test on the engine and everything checked out fine, all the numbers were good. This one's a handy tip if you're having this issue too. So on these engines there is a module which sits here, actually 2 of them, and this controls ignition. What I did was swap these modules around, so I basically changed the connectors over, and lo and behold, the misfire moved from cylinder 6 to cylinder 5. This indicated to me that one of these modules was an issue. So what I did, I ordered a new module. This is the part number. I fitted it in and bingo, the misfire had gone. So if you're experiencing a similar thing, do your normal checks, do your normal diagnostics, but always keep in mind these silly electrical things, they do go wrong internally. And that was the problem on this Audi S8 in particular. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.